Hi everyone, this is Shubhi Agarwal and today I'll be discussing the definitions which were not discussed directly or indirectly. So first being misstatement. So misstatement, a difference between the amount, classification and presentation or disclosure of a reported financial statement item and the amount, classification, presentation or disclosure that is required for the item to be in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework. Misstatement can arise from fraud or error. When an auditor expresses an opinion on which the financial statements are presented fairly in all material respect to give a true and fair view, misstatements also include those adjustments of amount, classification, presentation, or disclosures that, in auditor's judgment, are necessary for financial statement to be presented fairly in all material respect to give a true and fair view. Now, second definition is premise relating to responsibilities of management and where appropriate TCWG on whether the audit is conducted. On which an audit is conducted. The management and where appropriate TCWG have following responsibilities that are fundamental to the conduct of audit in accordance with essays. Responsibility for number 1, preparation and presentation of financial statement in accordance with applicable financial reporting framework. This includes the design, implementation and maintenance of internal control relevant to preparation and presentation of financial statement that are free from material misstatement whether due to fraud or error to provide auditor with all information such as records or documentation and other matters that are relevant to preparation and presentation of financial statement. Any additional information that the auditor may request from management and where appropriate TCWG and unrestricted access to those within the entity from where the auditor determines it necessary to obtain the audit evidence. Next definition comes of professional judgment. The application of relevant training, knowledge and experience within the context provided by auditing, accounting and ethical requirement in making informed decisions about the course of action that are appropriate in the circumstances of audit engagement. Professional skepticism, an attitude that includes a questioning mind, being alert to conditions which may indicate possible misstatement due to fraud and error, and ethical assessment of audit evidence.